Hi, welcome to this Cloud APIM Serverless demo. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your API environments. So I'm going to create a new project. I will use an empty project template. So here I have a sandbox environment that is the default one to make everything you want to test your API. And then we can create other environments that will be the production, staging, whatever. So for this environment, I'm going to use the main branch of the Git repository, and I'm going to add a root on it. So it's going to be to-dos, read all. There is an API key plugin on this one, and the target is JSON placeholder. So I have the right configuration here, so I can deploy. Okay, I'm going to test my routes. I need an API key. It's going to be the sandbox one, and I'm using it on this sandbox environment. I'm using the tester. Okay, I have my API and it's working. So now I'm going to create a new environment named production. And I'm going to create a new branch based on the main one to be the production one. So my branch is called production and it's based on main. Okay, so the first thing I can do is to deploy this version. So it's exactly the same one as the main one. So I'm going to deploy it. And I'm going to test it. So I need an API key for that. I'm going to create one that is the prod one. And it works. Now back to the sandbox environment. Here I want to do things a little bit different. I want to change the value of the task object alive. So to do that, I'm going to use a JavaScript function. And it's going to be something like, so here I'm making the fetch to JSON placeholder, and I'm iterating over the array of tasks and add an environment field with the hello value. So, okay. Now we need to use that function on the root. So here on the /todo endpoints, I can add the JavaScript module and use JSON placeholder.js. Okay, so here I have my OpenAPI file that is modified. I can deploy it. And now I can test it. Yes, we have the environment field with the hello value. Now we can do another thing that is quite useful. I'm going to create an environment variable named env with the value sandbox. Oops. For the sandbox environment, and use it in my JavaScript function here. I can deploy that. And test it. So now we have the value of the current environment on the environment field. And I can use that on the production branch as well. So let's go back on the production branch. What we need to do here is to synchronize the production branch with the main branch to get the new code. So here I use the main branch, and yes, I have the new JavaScript function. So I can test it now. And we have a variable not found error because there is no variable named env on the production environment. So I'm going to create one with the value production for the production environment. And now I can test it. And I forgot to deploy it. Sorry. And test it back. And we have the environment field with production. So that's all for today. Thanks.